My name is Dustin Bryant, and we are installing our brand new pool and spa in our backyard. So the feature I'm most excited about is definitely the spa. I've always been a fan of jacuzzis and spas, and it's nice to have my very own that I can get in whenever I'd like. Whether it be winter or fall, spring, it's always a good time.
Today we're in the final stages of this pool installation. We have formed already the perimeter deck around the pool. After the concrete is laid, we're going to start on the stamped concrete part, which is going to be an overlay, which is going to look like a flagstone finish. It'll take about 3 or 4 days for it to set hard.
So we found out about Fiberlux Pools. My wife actually did most of the research. We found that these guys had great reviews and very happy customers, were happy with their final product. Fiberlux has been great from start to finish, and I'm very happy we chose these guys.